Hello and welcome back to this course. In our previous video, we have discussed about the streams, input stream and output stream, and also we have an introduction to the file handling. And in this video, we will discuss about the file class in Java. So file class basically help us to create a file for our file handling purpose. So let's see how we can create a file using Java code. And there are around about 50 methods in file class, and we will discuss about some of these methods in this video, and the remaining methods you can use by your own. Anyhow, if you feel any problem by understanding those methods, you can ask me a question. So without wasting our time, let's write a code for creating a file in Java. So I remove this comment from here. Now for creating the file, I have to use the file class. So I am going to type here file, and I type here file equals to new file. Okay, and I import the file class from IO package. You can see that import from java.io.file. Okay, now the file class have different constructors. In one constructor we can pass the parent file name and the child string. In one class, in one constructor we can pass the path name. In one constructor we can pass the parent and the child, and in one constructor we pass the URL. So right now if I use a URL in this constructor like this, so now I have to pass a URL here. So I go to my folder. You can see this is a blank folder, there is nothing in this folder. I just copy this address from my basically this address box, and I paste it in my program. Here I just change these slashes from here, this one, then this one, and also this one and this one, and also I type here the example.txt. Okay, now if I call the method of the file function, I type here file.exist, this one, and I print it result on the screen, system.out.println, and okay. So now if I run my program, you will see false on the screen because this file does not exist in the programs folder, which is the example.txt. So how we can create this file? We are going to use the method of the file class. I type here file dot create new file, this one. Okay, you can see the error unreported exception IO exception must be called or declared to be thrown. So this is an error, we have to throw here IO exception. So I type here throws IO exception. Okay, and I import the IO exception. Okay, so now if I run my program, you will see true on the screen. This time the file exists. I go to my computer. You can see here I just increase the size of the file. You can see here example.txt is now present in my programs folder. If I open this file is blank, there is nothing in this file. Okay, now I am going to use the other methods of this class. So I type here file dot get name, this one, and I print it on the screen, system.out.println. Okay, so now if I run my program, you will see example.txt is the name of this file. In this way I can use the other methods. File dot get absolute path, you can see here, and now if I run my program, you will see the path on the screen. You can see here J Ghulam Abbas Udemy course Java programs and example.txt is present in this path basically. So there are a bunch of methods. They are easy to use methods in this class that you can explore by yourself. Now let's write our data in the file. We will write data in our next video through the coding. For this video, I am going to write data using the notepad. So I type here hello world. I save this file uh, and close it. And now if I go to my NetBeans and I type here system.out.println and I type here file dot length. Okay, and now if I run my program, you will see 11 on the screen. So this is the size of the file. If I go to my folder and I just go to its properties, you can see 11 bytes. So there are 11 bytes of data in this file. I hope you understand. Next we have the can write for method. So I type here system.out.println file dot can write. Okay, so now if I run my program, you will see true because we can write our data in this file. In the same way, we can use the file.canRead method. So there are a bunch of other methods in this class that we will explore in our next videos when we write our codes for the file handling. So I hope that you understand what is a file class in Java and how we can use the file class to create our files in Java. So if you feel any problem while understanding the methods of the file class, you can definitely ask me a question. I am always here to help you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.